Hey everyone, on this video I'm going to talk to you about the best, clean, nutritious, delicious protein smoothie that you can have that's going to support you before and after your workout or throughout, just to keep you going throughout the day. Coming up next on Rethink Health. Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel. If you're new to Rethink Health, please hit the subscribe button and like. That would help me out a lot. Thank you. So here on Rethink Health, I teach and promote how you can eat and live that leads to a healthy lifestyle for the whole family today. And on this video, I'm going to talk about this smoothie called the MIGHTY AMINO, and it's found in the 5-Day Family Smoothie Challenge. If you haven't done that, please check it out. I'll have a link in the show notes below. It's a free challenge, 5-day challenge, getting 5 tasty smoothie recipes, eat one each day out of the 5 days. And also it's going to teach you about the food, how it can benefit your health in these smoothies. It's also going to teach you about the 5 essentials that we need to have to regain and maintain our health today. So check that out if you want. But let's dive right into the smoothie today. The ingredients of the smoothie right up front here: coconut milk, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 serving of your favorite protein powder, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, a spoonful of almond butter, 4 spoonfuls of yogurt, 2 bananas, 1 avocado, 2 cups of frozen blueberries, and 2 dates if you want extra sweetness. And I'll have that recipe in the show notes below as well. The ingredient highlight in this, there's so many. We can just go down the list of the ingredients in this. I want to specifically pay attention to hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are so powerful for great nutrition. We have them almost every day. They're full of aminos, the building blocks of protein. So hemp seeds are full of the GLA, which is gamma linoleic acid, I believe. It is necessary for controlling hormones, helping with inflammation in our muscles and joints and others. So this can be great for people who struggle with arthritis, chronic fatigue, joint and muscle pain, blood pressure, heart disease, things like that. Most chronic conditions, I believe, today are caused by inflammation in our cells. And so hemp seeds are great at getting that inflammation out. And also, just a few tablespoons a day has great satiating effects. So it will help you feel full, so that you won't have to eat, you won't feel like you need to eat as much, helping with weight loss. And they're also high in fiber, that is going to help your bowels and your gut health as well, and your digestion. So in just 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, which is why I have 2 in this smoothie, there are 9.2 grams of protein. Wow. It has 140% of your daily amount of manganese, 77% of vitamin E, 75% magnesium, and 22% of iron. A lot of people are deficient in iron and magnesium, which is used for so many different functions in our body. And a lot of people today are deficient in iron and magnesium. And a lot of complaints arise because of these deficiencies. So hemp seeds are great for that, to boost those minerals as well. And I'll just go quickly through the ingredients. So first you start out with coconut milk. Coconut milk is great for its nutrient content as well as hydrating our cells. So perfect for pre or post workouts, right? That's why I added coconut milk. You can add almond milk as well, but I suggest coconut milk. Then your favorite protein. Obviously, this is going to have a boost of protein. Your favorite protein powder, this is going to have a big boost of protein for the smoothie. You don't even really need it in the smoothie because it's filled with so much aminos already. I'll link up the protein powder that we use in the show notes. Then we have the hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, right? Then I already explained. Then we have yogurt, and yogurt is obviously a great natural probiotic for the health of our gut, along with fiber. So this smoothie is so great because you got the aminos, you got fiber, you're taking care of your gut health, you're taking care of your brain health, right? Your muscles, all in this smoothie, right? Then you got all the vitamins and minerals in bananas and avocados are just such a rich whole food. They have so much, they have like all the healthy fats in them, vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, enzymes. They're just a full, well-rounded food of all you need, really. If you were not to take any other food and you just had an avocado, that would probably be the only thing you needed to survive. It has all you need, really, for all your healthy fats. And frozen blueberries. And blueberries, especially when in season, are so tasty and so good for our health, high in antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin C. So this smoothie is definitely a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition, getting a convenient, quick boost in before or after your workout, or just having energy throughout the day, especially if you have a lot of kids running around. This is going to give you that energy you need and the building blocks for your cells and your muscles. All together with, from the coconut milk to the hemp seeds, the avocado, to your protein powder. This is just an awesome smoothie. So that's all about the ingredients and the nutrients that are found in this smoothie. Now let's go back into the kitchen and put this Mighty Amino together. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the Mighty Amino. Please try it out. Please try out the 5-day Family Smoothie Challenge if you haven't yet. It's free. All you need is an email address. I'd love to have you aboard with that. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, the thumbs up. That would help me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.